Avial is a traditional South Indian dish that combines a variety of vegetables with a coconut and yogurt-based gravy. Assorted vegetables like carrot, beans, drumsticks, and pumpkin are cut into thin, uniform pieces. The vegetables are cooked until tender, but not mushy, then excess water is drained. Grated coconut, green chili, cumin seeds, and yogurt are ground into a smooth paste. The coconut paste is mixed with the remaining yogurt and added to the cooked vegetables. In a separate pan, coconut oil, mustard seeds, red chilies, asafoetida, and curry leaves are sautéed. The seasoning is poured over the vegetable coconut yogurt mixture and gently combined. Allow the avial to simmer for a couple of minutes on low heat to meld the flavors together. Serve avial warm with steamed rice, dosa, or appam for a delightful South Indian cuisine experience.